Everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And as the part of exercise, I will just take a random table topic and then I will start speaking. This exercise is being done to improve my impromptu communication skill. So let's get started. Okay. The table topic is how to sound and act like an expert. How to sound and act like an expert. How to sound. Before I share my thoughts, I do believe that uh, it's tough or it is morally wrong, in my opinion, that you sound like an expert uh, and act like if you are not. So the best way to act and sound like uh, an expert is to be the expert, right? Practice it, learn it, whatever. Just don't fake it that if you're an expert. So because it can have multiple downsides as well. So maybe in some professions it's okay, but if, for example, let's take a profession, a doctor profession and a teacher profession. So their job is very critical in the society. It's very important that if a doctor claims to be health expert or health expert, it should be one, right? Right, and the data should reflect that. If a teacher is, for example, he's not good, but he is just showing that he's an expert, or he is playing with the future of the children. So, in my opinion, if you want to act and sound like an expert, be the one and work for it. If you work for it, and even if you be the expert, then there is another thing that uh, you need to get comfortable in your skin as well. Suppose now you have the knowledge, but you have you want to act like an expert. So that's why that most people have imposter syndrome. Even the famous or best people have imposter syndrome. So uh, do not swayed by this. Do not fear this. Everybody has imposter syndrome, but if you know that what you know, then you should feel confident and try to learn every day. Try to learn, strive to do better. So that's how you act and sound like an expert. Be the one and work for it. Thank you. Over to you.